My people, now the story the long man. Come you this quick kidnapping here latest kidnapping update. Kidnappers and as a myself.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, there is sad news in Biafra land. This one is sad news, not good news. So before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this particular video here is for all the genuine Biafrans, all the Igbo people, especially boys and girls, to pay attention in this particular video, because this video now will save a lot of life in Biafra land, especially in Imo State. So just take out of your time and watch this video and see how this our brother expose how kidnappers, the kind of information he's getting in the hand of kidnappers in Imo State. Just watch this video. After you watch this particular video now, do not forget to share so that other Igbo people, other Igbo youths, girls and boys, we also can be able to watch this particular video, because it is very important for all of us to watch it. So share this video because it will save a lot of life in Biafra, in entire Biafra land. So share it and remain blessed. One love.
My people, now the story the long man. Come you this quick kidnapping here latest kidnapping update. Kidnappers and as a myself. Nka go aga choro ha bia. Here the latest update. So Tunda Shemo Operator, this particular guy, I head of the kidnapping gang. But Tunda Shemo Operator, Haga head the Kabia State, Enugu State, anywhere. I got a present to one as doctor. I got present to one as a surgeon, and I run under UN. And I run under UN, no surgeon, now they're offering free medicals to people. Especially then I target to mostly those young girls, so hang with any physical challenge or with any mark any mark, whether bet mark or any mark with any more anybody the physical challenge with their main target. So I present to one as doctor, they will give you the the card or company card, now phone number, now the contact, Susan Abia FNC way for the medical treatment, and I offer free medicals for all the people with the physical challenge, Nigerians. I offer free medical treatment, and I most target to wine, work too. So France with any mark or physical challenge, I say no surgeon they are doing free medicals signed by UN. Na FNC over. And anything necessary contact for that medical after you card again a phone number. Anything necessary contact I get post to like a day or 2 to 3 days or sometimes 1 week. Anything necessary it was in Abiazu at that FMC for that medicals. One day you are gone, your family will go see you again. Your family I'm hungry again. In the next video now I can call go here again make no worry. Here this particular guy and I have the most notorious kidnapping with no worry. This particular guy I want this hotel on there and the next video now I can cover cover everything I got Berlin at this particular video, this particular 3 minutes video. So in the next video now I can cover the man. But this guy on and I can't ever all the very whiskey. Ndi Igbo ga-efu n'Owerri ọ dịkwa funny apụkana ọ dị funny ndị ga-efu guy here latest update. Kidnapper was in there na-egbu nọrọ na main road na-eburu na-ezu na-achọ ndị ntọ na-atọ ndị nke ntọ ndị ahụ even foreign format ka ha ji bata Nigeria bata Owerri na-epiki ụmụ ndị mmadụ, especially na mba monta na-arụkwa họteelụ ka echi adị even he lodged in a hotel or this particular this guy and I lodged in this particular hotel now in a life going at risk. All this hotel like I don't want to so many other hotel when they bring them mad in a butcher for no reason. Just naturally boutique.
What will happen for the kidnapping side? Man will decide victim, they go find kidnappers, they bring them, they release them, and I see how it don't turn out to. And I see how they don't use and they make mockery. They don't do it. Make I tell them, I see this kidnapping something. Go verify. I don't they go inside bush, they release people where they kidnap. But I make a secret. They get one man where they call George Lekwa, a barrister, a known barrister in Lagos State. The kidnapper for Abia State. Go ask. people will no go comment for this thing. George Lekwa, the kidnapper, some years ago, I enter inside when they say they bring the ransom, the money. The church people give me 7 million naira. After they discuss. Now church discuss. Fear they catch church to go because the police people were there for about they say inside that borrow pit, inside Bougia, the boys they kiki. They carry the 7 million rich, give me, call me. I from here, enter Boto, reach Aba, they direct me, make I come Obibo, I stop Obibo. They direct me, make I come Asa, I stop Asa. Then they turn me around. I come Oshishoma, come Soto place. And this is what they talk, they happen around 10, 11. Then they turn me till it reach 10 minutes to 12 before they direct me where they dey. Make I go Soto place, make I see Okada, I stop. I park car for police station. May I tell them a small story. They say make I cross. My mind, I know say somebody when they direct me, they see me. I cross. He say yes, saying they see me, no let me follow. I enter, they say I enter back, talk to back person. I talk to back person, see community where they go. The back man say, hey, dear file, if I would do I don't know what he say that place for I would do and charge me 4,000 that night. They carry me inside there. Reach where road and the farm road. The man point. They tell me I give the man phone. I give the man phone. The man point make I enter this bush. By then, after 12, let me enter inside Boro pit. Go verify. Police van there they wait me for express Aba. Only me enter inside bush inside Boro pit reach there. I reach one junction, 2 road. They tell me make I go right, I go. I reach one place again, road go bush road then I won't touch. They say enter. Only me enter there reach Boro pit. 6 small boys, they reach 30, all of them who color. They come ahead, some of them are like, hey! Now I tell them, hey, come on, come. So, point me, I say, hey, I be on Oga. No point me gone. They say, who's your guy be? I say, I be on Oga, no point your guy gone. They say, Onye Kebo. I introduce myself, tell them who I be. They say, make I come and go see Oga. We go reach Oga, I tell the Oga who I be. Open my phone, show Oga my when I dey click, when I dey river, I show the Oga. They just say, Onye why, Oyishi, Onya Oyishi. The Oga say, Onya Oyishi. He said, dear, they praise me, talk, me and them talk. I beg them, talk to them. They carry me show for corner for Boro pit, and they hear fly, they do, that night, they put touch, see dead body through there. I talk to them. Out of 7 million, where I carry go. Well, how much I give them? 500,000. I carry 6.5, put for bag, come back. I give them 500,000, beg them. Then I turn to my friend. Oyishi, welcome. Onye White, welcome. They will talk. They escort me come out main road. The next morning, I call people who send me 6.5 will be for my hand because na church money. If so no be church money, I will take them. Anything church I need to take. And they open a money here. Na church money because na church people bring the money. If say na personal, I for take them because na the risky what I take. And then they hide them. And then they lie. You understand? As I see say na church money, I say I don't want God wahala. I don't want Chuko Kukabiama wahala. I don't want Elohim wahala. I carry the money, call the church head then. See money will remain. They say I give one so person. Make it. I carry the money. That money go give somebody where they say I give. They pay the money to church account back. I carry the person that night come back. If you when police see me first friend, police you enter, you see them and say yes. Those boys when they do kill anyhow, say I see them. Say they escort me, say they there. George Lekwa, go ask barrister George Lekwa. Now Lagos in the Aja. Go ask, everybody know. Nobody here comment. I go. Another one again, they don't carry somebody, a CLU for brass. They say make them pay 30 million. They talk, it end for 5 million. There are person where they send, I know that we are the person where they send to go pay the 30 million. Enter speedboat, go there. They hold the person, collect the 5 million. Seize the person with the 5 million. Then the person say, that 30 million I go complete them. Now so the people trace me come. The father name na General Iboto, in Bayelsa. Go ask. General Mboto. The family know in Bayelsa. They meet me, talk with me. We talk. I said, no, give me 3 million. They give me, I talk, they give me the number. This one, they let them off their number. I talk with them. Enter water. We talk. Reach there. They see me. I talk with them. They say, Ghana, because of you. I hand over their money for them. Carry the people come back. Nobody hear them. Social media no carry them. So Harrison, they risk in life all these days, all this month, all this year. On a no see them. When they say, ain't chop money, no chop money. Ain't come out money, no come out money. When they risk in life on a they see them. When they take risky for your life on a no see them. They say Nigeria. What thing I notice for this country, now just when they don't hear somebody downfall, when they don't hear say, aha, this one downfall, they happy. When they don't hear mockery, they happy. When they don't hear gossip, they happy. You don't go well. No be so. Go ask how many kidnapping I don't go release. I don't want to talk for social media. How many? Why did they put for social media? No be my power, now God. No be my power. Now God they do am. A young man come, they take risky. Or I turn out to joke, turn out to play, turn out to different thing, turn out to social media. And I just make I advise you too. You be my younger brother. You my junior brother. In case you come out tomorrow, some video of kidnapping or this, reduce some. May they tell them how they waka. May they tell them, because I see where they show for video. Say people will hold gun. They your back. You will no hold gun in the front. You no go where. Uniform men will hold gun. They your back. You in the front. You no go where. Me if I go kidnapping to go release somebody. Kidnappers hold somebody, they go release them. And then they carry police. And then they carry army. And then they carry anybody. And they go alone. Go ask, verify. I am the Amusu of the Cherubim.